quick ride in, and welcome to the first episode of Talking Story Tuesdays. Woo! Where we just talk about random stuff. What's on your mind? Talk to me. Just want to get a few things off my chest. Make sure I don't get caught by this light. Hope everyone's doing well. First off, man, what a beautiful day. Out here, I had to do a little test run on my Motovlog setup. That last video I dropped was not only picking up my lavalier mic, my purple panda, which I absolutely love, but it was also picking up the audio off the media mod. So those are the kind of things that kind of get to me, because I mean, they don't get to me. It's just, you know, things that I've been learning on the fly, because I'm new to this, and all the equipment is kind of not necessarily tricky, but if you don't read the handbook pamphlet on not only the GoPro Hero 9 but also the Hero you know, just to kind of promote my Instagram page and the YouTube channel and whatnot. But I just thought it was funny, like, this guy hit me up on Instagram and was like, hey man, you know, you got stickers? We should trade stickers. And I was like, man, I don't have a logo to have a sticker, so it's actually something that I'm, you know, thinking about doing. It's just, I don't know, there's something about, you know, me being this old, you know, trading stickers or even having stickers. But I mean, it's a great idea, and I'm gonna roll with it. You know, I'm gonna give this thing a full year, like just of just grinding it out and doing whatever I can to, you know, get really good content out to you guys and whatnot. So yeah, so I'm thinking about it. So I'm looking at getting a logo done. If you guys have any, you know, suggestions or anything, or you know how you guys went about getting your logos done, let me know. You know, I'm open to any and all suggestions, and you know, obviously I want to have something that's pretty neat. So I'd really appreciate that. So yeah, working on the logo. Then, you know, obviously I can get some, you know, stickers made and give them out to family and friends, and to, you know, all of you that subscribe, and then also to all of the 3 or 4 guys that hit me up recently. So, and you know, obviously I don't want to say, hey, I don't have any stickers, can you go ahead and send me some stickers? But I'm pretty sure they would. But shout out to them. Yeah, so we'll see where this goes, see what I come up with. You know, obviously I have my brother Ben will kind of, he's got some ideas and I got some ideas, but I mean, this is all new. I don't even know where to begin with logos, and you know, I'm not no web designer, graphic designer, or artiste by any means, but we can make it happen. That'd be amazing. So yeah, that's the logo. That's where we're at with that. And then also too, just got a bunch of content coming up to share with you guys, and looking forward to, you know, what's to come. And then subscribers, man, I really appreciate it. You know, word of mouth, and you know, through friends and family, I've gained, you know, close to 80 subscribers the last few weeks, and I think 86 or 87 to be exact. But look, if this is fun for you and this is something that you like and you enjoy, and it's entertaining for you, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications, so every time I drop a video, you know it's out, and you can check it out and support and whatnot. But again, I don't know, I'm torn. Like, I just want to share it, but at the same time, it is a good feeling to have people tune in, and you know, the way people are tuning in is, you know, we're staying tuned in and subscribing. So I really appreciate the support that I've gotten, you know, over the last 4 or 5 weeks. I think it's been about 5 weeks or so, maybe 6 weeks since I started. Like I said, I'm having a blast, man. How can I not share this? This is just so amazing, man. It's so beautiful here, and man, I've rode my bike more in the last 6 months than I have probably in the last 5 years. You know, and a lot of that just has to do with time. You know, I just have the time now, so so it's all about just, you know, getting out here and, you know, enjoying the ride, and just being blessed and being able to share with you guys. So hopefully you guys are enjoying it. Again, if you guys if there's anything in particular that you guys want to hear about, whether it's my, you know, I don't know, my life story, or you guys want to talk bikes, you know, I'm learning so much about bikes and bike parts and all the different, you know, types of Harleys, and just bikes in general. Man, I just, you know, went to Ducati Moto Corsa a couple weeks ago with my brother Ben, and man, I did not know what to expect, but it was amazing. And that's something I need to put together and upload and get to you guys, because that was such an amazing day, amazing time. So and I just, you know, I feel like I got to put some, you know, some good editing skills on the content I got out there, because man, I got hooked up. Those guys really took care of us, so hope to get that, you know, to you guys soon. But yeah, that's about it. Just wanted to do a quick one, say what's up. I'm still getting used to riding and making sure I'm, you know, being safe and, you know, trying not to stumble my words and whatnot. So appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy the rest of this ride. Just want to do a quick one for you guys and introduce you to Talk Story Tuesday. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay safe, stay blessed, and spread aloha, baby. Aloha, guys. Take care.